Are you planning to buy OnePlus 10T 5G or do you already own one? Then you should definitely know this OnePlus 10T display problem. If this happens to your phone, then there are high chances that you will go generic mode with your phone. This video was shared to me by a friend who owns a OnePlus 10T. He wanted to know why a flicker was happening on his phone after a new software update. Did you miss the flicker? If so, take a look at this enlarged section where the flicker is seen as a line occurring along the lower left part of the display when scrolling down in the main menu. This flicker seemed like a minor bug and I recommended a factory reset to my friend. But before doing the factory reset, the phone auto restarted and this display problem disappeared from OnePlus 10T.
Several days later,
my friend contacted me again saying how he was facing OnePlus 10T hang problem and OnePlus 10T lag problem along with the display problem with flickering lines all over the screen. He recorded a video and I was absolutely shocked. That's why I decided to do this OnePlus 10T review so that everyone will know this problem. As visible here, the flickering seems to cover the entire screen and disappears after some time. The phone was also experiencing high levels of heating problem while this issue was happening. When I tried thinking about a reason for this problem, the only explanation that I could think of was a problem with the display connector connecting the OnePlus 10T display with the motherboard. I asked my friend to apply for a replacement as he was still having the option for replacement. Thankfully, the new phone does not seem to have any problems so far. Before going further, I would like to draw your attention to my channel, Mr. AJ Hacker, where I periodically upload videos talking about problems on new smartphones and suggest possible solutions. You can subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on problems happening on new phones and help even your family and friends in case they experience any problems on their phones. So on coming back to our topic, even when OnePlus 10T 5G have flagship specifications including a display with 120Hz refresh rate, fluid AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support and Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and coming over to hardware section, we are having octa-core Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 4nm thickness chip along with Adreno 730 GPU and 8 or 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. And finally, coming to the camera section, we have back cameras including a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera along with a 60 megapixel front facing camera. Main camera is pretty powerful and can record 4K videos at 30 FPS. The battery is also a good 4800 mAh with 150 watt fast charging that can charge the phone in around 15 minutes as per real life OnePlus 10T charging test. Even if all the specifications are good, if you are facing any kind of problem on the phone, you must replace it within the available time or you should claim warranty. Always remember that customers are kings and queens. I am repeating this again. If you face any problems on OnePlus 10T, don't do this. Instead, claim warranty. If you have any doubts or want to ask any questions, or if you want to share any problems that you are facing on any of your phones, feel free to use the comment section till you are satisfied. I really thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel as a means of motivating and encouraging me to get more phones to review for you. You can surf through the playlist attached here to know about problems on various phones that you might be interested in. Thanks again for watching. Bye.